So yeah, Starlight is a big deal, family, because you know, at the end of the day, you have to be able to you have to be able to have your clairvoyant powers, you have to have your antenna online. Your lighthouse has to be able to recognize things that's in your way. You feel me? If your pineal gland is not pumping, then you in the wrong game, family. I'm telling you, because this shit is gonna keep on getting stranger and stranger. You feel me? And the biggest idea that you want to understand is that your pineal is a guiding light for you. You feel me? So obviously your third eye chakra is your intuition, your vision, your perception of things, right? Your ability to perceive beyond the veil. When you see me decode all these movies, yeah, Sandman, that's me. Yeah, that's me. It's on my head. What? When you see me decode all these movies, it's because I'm in a space of seeing beyond what they're trying to show us on the physical level. You feel me? I'm in a knowing and a knowing inside of me that my pineal is activated. It's all the way pumping. You feel me? So I'm seeing anything and everything that they're doing, because it's not like I'm trying to see it. I'm forcing myself to see it and watch it, because half of the time I'll be asleep. But what in the darkness is when your pineal really gets live. You feel me? I did not watch that Stranger Things, nigga. Y'all thought I watched it. I fell asleep the whole damn series. Woke up and decoded it. Same thing with that Thor movie and all these other movies. So there's something else that's speaking to me, right? That's giving me the ideas and the clues of what they were trying to portray on the screen. Because these two eyes are just for you to see this physical. This first eye is just for you to see beyond the physical. You feel me?